Head of the St. James Police Division, Senior Superintendent Aaron Samuels, has hit back at claims that the police deliberately targeted the home where a 4-year-old boy was killed during an incident on New Year's night. Speaking at Thursday's monthly meeting of the St. James Municipal Corporation, SSP Samuels described the suggestion as irresponsible and stressed that the fatal shooting of Romaine Bowman remains under investigation. SSP Samuels was responding to concerns raised by Councillor for the Granville Division, Michael Troop, who questioned whether adequate checks were carried out before the police entered the community.
It's unfortunate that whilst the police officers work, that incidents will happen. If they come under attack, they'll defend themselves and incidents will happen. But it's very unfortunate in this situation that a 4-year-old succumbed to injuries during that gunfight. There's an active investigation going on, and I don't want to speak much on that. But what I'll say though, it's very irresponsible to say that the house was targeted. Very, very responsible. We were called to the community because of gun salutes, the only location in the division of St. James that had gun salutes. And stemming out of that, the incident happened.